Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing access and removing the fronds. This reduces fuel and reveals the crown. Once done, cut away the crown tissue with a saw to expose the trunk core, leaving a manageable 12-18-inch stump so you can work safely. Make sure to wear gloves, eye protection, and a respirator if dusty. If the palm is large, section fronds and hoist them away to keep the work area clear and to prevent hidden root tension from snapping branches unexpectedly. Now you move to the stump and roots. Dig a trench 6 to 12 inches from the stump circumference to expose the root crown so you can see anchor roots. Then sever major roots with an axe or reciprocating saw, working around the stump evenly so it loosens uniformly. Use a pry bar to lever the stump while an assistant counters. For very large specimens, attach a winch or rent a small trencher to cut the deep roots. Keep checking for buried utilities as you go. Finally, you remove the loosened stump and chip or haul debris for disposal. If a stump grinder is available, grind the remaining root collars down several inches below grade to prevent regrowth. Once the cavity is clear, backfill with topsoil and compact in layers, then grade to match surrounding turf and seed or sod. If shoots or suckers appear later, cut them immediately and treat the stump surface with a systemic herbicide or repeat grinding. This stops latent buds from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.